Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a review of the Mint Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. So DQ comes up with some pretty cool monthly blizzards. This is the March blizzard. I was going there to get the February one. This is February 28th, the day that I shot this, but they had the mint ones there. There's a mint brownie and a mint Oreo, so I'm going to be reviewing that today. And I love mint flavored things. Not a lot of people like it because they say it tastes like mint toothpaste, but you know, I like mint flavored things, so we'll get into it. Normal Oreo blizzard pretty good. Mint Oreo probably gonna be a little different, maybe not better, but we'll see how it is. So it's got a green color to it for St. Patty's Day. Wow, the mint is strong. I didn't expect it to be that intense. The Oreos are there just for crunch, but you don't really taste the Oreos a whole lot because it's so minty. Got a slight taste of Oreo there. There's a lot of it in that piece, or in that spoonful, but the piece of Oreo are kind of big, which is nice. There's some smaller ones too, but I like the big pieces. More to chew on. On the coldest day I've felt in many days, I'm getting ice cream. It's weird. Pretty good though. I like it. Very minty. There's a lot of piece of Oreo in that, so that's good. Kind of see the difference in color there. Pretty good. I like it. Yeah, I'm not normally an Oreo type of guy, but it goes well with the mint flavor. I was choosing between this or mint brownie and mint Oreo one. I like the Oreo one, it's pretty good. I think it's better than like a normal Oreo blizzard too. The addition of mint is nice. If you don't like mint, this one won't be for you. Yeah, some really big pieces. That's great. That's a lot of flavor to that. I'm a fan. So, the mint Oreo Blizzard tastes like a normal Oreo Blizzard, but with the additional amount of mint in there, it tastes really good. But if you're not a big fan of mint flavored things, you're probably not going to like this one a whole lot, because that's kind of the main flavor in this. So I give this a solid 7.5 out of 10. It's good, minty. The cookie pieces are big and nice, so I like it. It's good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. I'll see you in the next video.